Watch this Seinfeld episode. It's on the subway. So Kramer gets on the subway, right? He's on the subway, and he's running through the car trying to escape this gentleman over here, right? Okay, if we pause right here, he's on the 1 train that's going downtown South Ferry. Now the problem I have with this is why is he going downtown? He was already going downtown earlier, but that's not really the point. South Ferry 1 train, right? And then, boom, he's on the 5 train to Utica Avenue. That's to Brooklyn. That makes no sense. I just don't get it. He's not even on the same train anymore. They're not in the same line. The 1 train will end right here. The 5 train to Utica Avenue goes here. The only place the 1 and 5 train will line up are at Bowling Green. No, they don't even line up. So this makes no sense.
Cal, I don't think our Tinder match is a match. I may have to unmatch.
You know, I'm gonna find a girl that likes Seinfeld. I'm gonna find a girl that likes Seinfeld. I like Seinfeld. I like it a lot. But that's just some inconsistent continuity. And as a film student at NYU Tisch, I just have to be a big critique of film errors. I'm just kidding. It doesn't matter. I don't care. That was keep watching.